Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to balance your free agent. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in FreeAgent to enter and adjust your opening balances so your accounts start from the right figures. Keep your opening trial balance handy as a reference, and let's walk through it together. Start from your FreeAgent overview. This is your main dashboard where you can confirm you're in the right business and time period before making any changes. If you have multiple businesses, make sure the correct one is active. Once you're on overview, we'll move into the accounting area where opening balances live. At the top of the screen, look for the accounting menu. It's in the main navigation bar. If you're on a smaller screen and can't see it, try widening your window or reducing zoom a little so the full menu appears. When you can see it, click Accounting to open up the accounting tools. From there, select Journal Entries. This section shows your journal sets, including the one that stores your opening balances. Think of journal sets as grouped entries for specific tasks, like starting numbers or year-end adjustments. We're going to focus on the opening balances set. Choose Add Opening Balances. This creates the opening balance journal set if you haven't added one yet. Opening balances reflect your financial position at your chosen start date. So use the figures from your prior system or accountant's trial balance. Take a moment to check that the date in your head matches the balances you're about to enter so the numbers line up with your reporting period. Next, click Edit Opening Balances. This opens the set so you can make changes. You'll see the accounts that can be adjusted for your starting figures. Then, click Edit to enable the fields for input. Now you're in the right place to type in or correct amounts. Enter the sample balance for the relevant bank account or ledger line as shown on your trial balance. Use the correct sign and placement based on whether it's a debit or a credit in your chart. If you work with multiple currencies, make sure you're entering the figure for the account's currency. Double check the number before you commit it to avoid mismatches. When you're ready, press Enter to save. You should see your changes reflect in the opening balances set. If something doesn't look right, simply go back into Edit Opening Balances and adjust the figure. That's it. You've navigated to Overview, opened accounting, gone into journal entries, added and edited opening balances, entered your balance, and saved it. Thanks for watching and happy balancing in FreeAgent.